All right, we're in my art studio and I'm going to, well, I just got the tools. Little nippers, whatever these doohickeys are. I accidentally bought this, but it wasn't helping me like do anything. So I had to go and buy these. So they were like 23 bucks. This one was like 16, but we got it for free because of all of our Amazon purchases. Alright, so I want to try and just get one thing for my face. It's a face, okay. Or I'm going to have little pieces if it doesn't work out. So I had 3 chances because I had 3 of the same color plates. This is the color I want her to be. And I already totally won. And I've been practicing because you got to practice with these things to figure out how to do it, how hard you have to clamp, they're going to spread. Okay. Oh man, I had like a marker. Just tracing paper. You see it? Alright, so here we go. Plate number 2. Hello from a different microphone. So a little bit about this project. One, it's going to take a long time for me to do. This is my first time working with mosaic and my first time learning how to cut plates and tiles and learning how to buy all the materials. So it's going to be, a process, and I'm working on a budget of 0. So I do like little Goodwill trips to buy plates, which are actually more expensive than I thought. So I'm going to look into Home Depot for like tiles and different odds and ends from family instead of Goodwill. But Goodwill does have good stuff. I was using these tools very wrong. As you see, that's why it was a struggle. Like, I was getting really frustrated. I did look up how to use the tools now. So with these big clampers, you're supposed to use like the edge. And I didn't, but I will in the future. I really like the other nippers with wheels. Those were really good. They just were really working well. And the first one in the beginning, that one you're supposed to score like a flat piece of tile or glass, and then it cracks along that. So now I know that. So this is great. And I made this video to show you guys that it can take you 20 minutes if you are working for your first time on a plate. Especially if you're just going for like one shape and not just smashing it, because it's pretty easy to smash a plate and make pieces and put them. It's not easy putting them together, but it's like a fun process putting them together in a weird puzzle. But here I'm trying to learn how to use the tools and to make those one singular shapes, because I want to make flowers and I don't want them to be all scattered. I want the petals to be one piece and stuff. So it's fun, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun doing this. And if you ever want to do mosaic, I hope you do it and have fun and know that your end product is going to be beautiful no matter what. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you continue to watch, you'll see the end product. Somewhere along here, you're going to see a beautiful sandwich. That was my lunch. It was so good. But I do want to thank you guys for spending time with me. And I hope you guys have a great day or great night. See you later. All right, so this is the girl and her face, my goddess. We do need to narrow her forehead out and give her more of a definition in her nose. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. And I like the solid look, but I definitely could go for the, see, I drew in the fake mosaic look. I was trying to see which color grout would look best, either gray or white. I'm thinking white would go with it since a lot of it's gonna be white, subwhite tile. And it's just pops of fun mosaic activities. Thanks again for watching. See ya.